Today we're talking about the deaths of 47,000 Canadians, many of them young people. 47,000 Canadians have died in the last number of years in drug-related deaths. But it's 47,000 people, many of them young people, many of them young children. And it's all of their parents and their siblings and their friends. And beyond that, it's all the people in drug psychosis who have committed violent acts and the innocent people they have hurt, violent break-and-enter, sexual assault, murders. All of the crime and mayhem to our small businesses, the decay in our cities and in our once safe communities. The people responsible for all of these deaths, over 47,000 deaths, right? The drug dealers, the drug traffickers and the drug importers and exporters that are bringing in the ingredients, importing the drugs, the ones that are producing the drugs, the meth labs, and then of course pushing them on people, right? So drug importers, drug producers, drug dealers, they have a lot of blood on their hands, right? So we should be taking strong measures to ensure that they're punished and a message is sent to all the other ones that if you do this, you're going to be punished and go to jail for a long time, right? This is what we should be doing, or you would think that this would be the case already. Well, it was the case, Madam Speaker. There was mandatory prison time for drug trafficking, for drug importing, for drug production. There was. And then the Liberals came along, despite all of these deaths, and brought forward Bill C-5. You want to know what Bill C-5 did? It eliminated mandatory prison time for drug traffickers, drug producers, drug importers, all of the people responsible for killing over 47,000 people and causing unbelievable mayhem and destruction in our communities no longer have mandatory prison times.
That's why I'm denouncing today, as part of my Canada First plan, that common sense Conservatives will bring mandatory prison sentences. There will be life sentences for anyone caught trafficking, producing, or exporting over 40 milligrams of fentanyl. 40 milligrams is enough to kill 20 people. Anyone who is involved in trafficking that amount of fentanyl will get a life sentence. We will lock them up and we will throw away the key.